Now let's go to our VLookup. So VLookup is a common function in Excel. If you're an accountant, you should be able to know it and actually use it like from your fingertips, basically. So VLookup, it's a function that you apply where you have two tables like here I've got personal data and I've got HR information data. So in both tables, there must be a common field. So that is the bottom line. There must be a common field in both tables. For here, I've got personal information and HR information. So it's people information. So here I've got employee number. So employee number, I've got it here, and I've got employee number this side. So my employee number is unique to one individual. So there can't be duplicates of an employee number. So that would be a field to use. Other examples that I can use, maybe say you may have a product tables where you could maybe say one is just a product table with a product code and the product, and the other one maybe you may be having the product code, product name, and maybe the sales or the cost of it or the purchases and the like, or the stock holding as a particular juncture. So in that one, you use the product code because product code is unique to both tables. And then the other example I can use, maybe say you are doing vehicle analysis. So there will be a vehicle registration number. So maybe the one table may contain vehicle registration number and maybe the make and model. And then the other one may have a vehicle registration number, make, model, and maybe the fuel tank capacity, and maybe the kilometers mileage to service. And then maybe you may want to bring that mileage or the fuel capacity to the other table. So in both tables, you have the vehicle registration. So that would be the basis of your calc. So you need a common field in both tables. Yes, it can be even 3 tables or 4 tables, whatever tables that is, but you need a common field in the both tables. So let's go on the VLookup. So how do you do? So for example, in this case here, your supervisor given this data, say I've got these names here, I've got 10. Here it's 10, but in real life, the HR information may have maybe hundreds of employees, but maybe your supervisor then gives you just this 10. Say out of this 500 this side, just give me what are the ID numbers for this 10. So how do you do it? So in this case, you use the VLookup function. So you can either use a VLookup and XLookup, but for now, we are focusing on the VLookup function. So the syntax of the formula is equals to VLookup, and then double click on the VLookup, and then we're going to click on the employee number, and then you click a cover. So we're saying the VLookup value because I know I've got employee number this side. And then next it will ask you from which table do you want to bring you this information that you're looking for. So in this instance, I'm going to click on the N because you must start off with the same field is employee number. So this is my first, and then when you click the N, just click your shift and your right arrow once. Can you see now we got this 2C here? It means it's column number 2. So shift down again, click right arrow. Can you see now it's column number 3? Let's shift right arrow again, column number 4. So ID number is in column number 4, but let's take it all the way to the right. This is now column number 5. And then F4 to make it absolute, and then comma. Next is telling you what index. So the way VLookup works, it says, look for this value, the employee number in this table, but what column do you want me to bring for you? That's Excel is asking you. So then we know employee number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So our ID is in column number 4. So then we tell it, bring for me whatever you find in column number 4, comma. The next one, and then it's a question to finish off your VLookup. Do you want an approximate match or an exact match? So in Excel, we want an exact match, not an approximate. So then click your exact match. Double click on it, double left click on it, and then you close your bracket. Okay, see, here we go. I've got 8181, and then you just drag it at the bottom, click on the bottom, and then you drag it. There we are, 92 rows is done. So this is how you use your VLookup. So just rewatch it and then make sure you get the principles right.